Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Big Ben, and I day trade full time. I am a professional day trader, and I day trade the stock market Monday through Friday, and I swing trade the crypto market. I play the swings. Okay. So when the market goes up or down, I play the swings. And this year, playing the swings is your best bet on how to read the chart, learn how to read patterns on the chart. Definitely hit that subscribe button. And during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. So let's get this party started, guys. Let's get this party started. Right now it's 8:16. I'm hoping that everybody got my notification that I went live. I hope so. Right now I see Lars in the building, Randy's in the building. So we'll see. I'm gonna make this a quick stream, hopefully. If you are watching the replay, you can actually go to settings, speed, hit 1.5 or 2, so you can speed up time. So guys, let's get this party started. Let's get this party started. Guys. So overall, the market is still weak. Let me see who's in the building. Hey, what's going on, Kelly? So let's get this party started, guys. Let's get this party started. What's going on, Eric? What's going on, Lars? What's going on, Randy? Yeah, so let me zoom in real quick. So BTC went down more today. When I went off a live stream, I think it went down a little bit more. Let's go on the 4-hour real quick. Yeah, so we broke down low right here and we went back up. And most likely we're going to push up either to this level or to this level right here. And we'll see. But you got the notification. That's good, man. That's good. That's good, Indranel. That's good. I'm glad that you got the notification. All right, so in this crypto world, everything is just, a lot of stuff is dead right now. The altcoins is dead. BTC is like, you know, slowly going down, and the best way to play this market this year is to play the swings. Hodling is not a good strategy this year. You know, maybe last year if you was in this market, but this year, no. The Bitcoin dominance went back to 48. I think it was down to 47. It went back to 48. The market cap is at 272. We talked about that resistance line, that resistance at 300 billion. So overall, the market doesn't want to go above 300 billion. Okay, and Bitcoin still has the volume is still weak. So in order for Bitcoin to go up, like, you know, really go up, in my opinion, we have to have new buyers, real big buyers. You know, it just can't be regular people. So we had this drop. Now we bouncing because I told you guys that the market loves to go back to breakouts. So we had this breakout at the 4-hour chart. We broke out. Now slam right back to the breakout. Okay, so now buyers is coming back in. So we'll see where Bitcoin wants to go. We'll see if we will continue to roll back over. And the way I'm seeing it is most likely it wants to test this low right here, but we'll see. We'll see. Eric John, do you think that was the top? It's very hard to tell. It's very hard to tell. We will see soon. We will definitely see soon. But right now I'm short BTC, Hopefully I could get a quick 1-to-1, but you know, we'll see. But it's just the top. We'll see. Because I'm thinking Bitcoin will go at least maybe to 71. And then if it bounce from there, 71, 72, and it comes back to this high right here, we have to see if it's going to create a double top or make another top. Okay, so it's hard to tell if this is the top right now. It's very hard to tell. So that's why right now I'm taking it day by day and seeing what Bitcoin wants to do. I want to see what Bitcoin wants to do. So, but everything else is looking weak. What's going on, Edgar? I don't even see you in this. I don't even see you in the chat room. Shout out to Edgar giving me that super chat, that $3.99 super chat. Could you look at okay? I don't know if Trading View has that. Let's check it out. Oh yes, Trading View does have it. Shout out to Edgar though. Thanks a lot for that super chat. I appreciate that. So this is the daily chart, right? And basically we had the market go down, break out this, I guess we had like a little triangle situation going on here. And now let me zoom out a little bit. And Edgar, do you have are you holding this coin, Edgar? Shout out to you though. Are you holding this coin? So right now, it tried to make a new high right here. It tried to go above this high right here. If you notice, it tried to go above this high. And as soon as it went above this high, sellers came right back in. Okay. We created this flag. If we go to the 4 hour, we created this flag right here. So let's go to the 4 hour real quick. Yeah, so we created this. I remember drawing this flag. So it went down, created this flag right here. It dropped out. A lot of sellers came in. So most likely you might see it go back either to let me see, either to this level right here or this level right here. Okay, or sometimes it likes to go back to the breakout, but we'll see what's going on with Bitcoin itself. But you know, this thing could just go right here and continue to go back down. So overall, it looks weak, but it's following Bitcoin. So we'd have to see if Bitcoin wants to go up and make a new high. But overall, yeah, it looks weak. It looks like it's trying to continue to go back down because we had this flag pattern right here. So, but we'll see. We'll see what Bitcoin wants to do. I think Bitcoin wants to make another low. I think Bitcoin wants to make another low. What is this? What's today? Wednesday. So yeah, probably by the end of this week, probably wants to make another low. We'll see though. We'll see. Shout out to everybody that's here. Businessman, what's going on? TB $, what's going on? Crypto gains. Mr. XRP, what's going on? How's everybody doing? Annette, what's going on? How you doing? Good to see you here. Good to see everybody here. Hopefully I gotta make this a quick stream today, but we'll see. We'll see. I hope I hope that everyone had a good day so far. I hope everyone had a good day so far. XRP had that little pop, and as soon as it hit the back of the channel, we sold off a little bit. So that's what that's what happens when sometimes when it breaks out that channel, it goes back to the channel, finds resistance, and continue to go back down. So most likely XRP will continue to go back down, make another low, but we'll see. We will see what Bitcoin is going to do. So Edgar, are you in that coin that I just reviewed? Shout out to you. Thanks a lot again for that super chat. What's going on, Glenn? Oh, so you said no, I'm shorting it, but thinking it's gonna go bigger, and your thoughts on it. Okay. You said you were shorting it. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't see that one. So Edgar, are you still short that coin? Are you still short right now? Are you still short that coin right now? Hey, Triforce. I don't know if you saw my last live stream, Triforce. I shouted you out. Did you take profits? Because you told me that you was looking for a 75 when it came to Bitcoin. So did you take profits, Triforce? Shout out to Triforce. I believe he took profits. I don't know. Let me know, Triforce. Did you take profits? What's going on, Ahmed? What's going on? What's going on, Brett from Australia? Are you new to the? You're not new to the channel, Brett, right? No. Okay, so you got in last night, 298. 298. You got in last night. Let me see, 298. Okay, 298. So let me ask you a question. Why do you got in so late? Why you got in so late, Edgar? This was a late entry, so 298 is around here somewhere. So I mean, it is a late entry. Yeah, Triforce, let me know. Do you make profits off of that Bitcoin short? Brett said, do you think XRP will exceed the price of Bitcoin in the future? Shout out to Brett. Yeah, Brett, if you're new to the channel, let me know. He said, do I think XRP will exceed Bitcoin? Anything is a possibility. Right now, it's very hard to go that far. I try not to think that far ahead because it's just too much going on right now. We in the bear market. It's like, some of these coins, you don't know what some of these coins is going to do, but anything is possible. Anything is possible. So yes, so let me see if I see any questions here. What's going on, Rufus? Rufus said he made $40 today. Thanks again, your course. Ben, shout out to Rufus. Rufus making his money, man. Rufus making his money. Shout out to you. Let me see what's going on here. Let me see what's going on in the chat. Hey, what's going on, Travis? Travis said, I missed you fast last year, man. What's going on, Travis? Thanks a lot for coming through. Cedric said, just getting off the road. Can't wait to get back home and read the charts. Very addicted to, he said it's my fault. Shout out to Cedric, man. Yeah, I'm addicted to the charts too, man. I'm addicted to the charts. Honestly, I love the charts. And if you are new to my channel, let me know. Triforce, Triforce, what you doing, Triforce? I just saw you in the building, Triforce. How come you not answering the question? Where you went to get something to eat? Let me see what's going on here. Was Glenn in the house? Alex, what's going on, Alex? I hear you, Alex. I hear you. What's going on, Flex? Bobby, how you doing, Bobby? I missed out. I hear you, man. I hear you. Okay, Triforce, no problem. Just let me know when you're back, Triforce. Just let me know when you're back. What's going on, Kelly? Those bots eating up the margin trades. What margin trades, Kelly? Ken said, "Hey Ben, everyone been studying way too much." I hear you. 45, what's going on? 45 is in the building. What's going on, Booker? What's going on, Mr. Hall? I'm glad to see everybody here. So, everything, guys, everything is still weak right now. XRP fell out this channel, went back to the channel. The channel now is resistance, sold off. So, I'm looking for probably one more continuation down to the downside. That's the same thing that's going on with Bitcoin. I'm looking for at least one more down move. I'm looking for one more down move for when it comes to Bitcoin, and we'll see. Let's go to the 4 hour. Like I said before, we went back to the breakout, and Bitcoin, the market loves to go back to breakout, so we went back to this breakout right here. So I'm guessing we'll probably go, down one more time, and we'll see though. Let me see if I see any questions. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know. So I don't see any questions right now. So anybody in this chat room right now, anybody is short anything right now? Anybody short any coins right now? Let me know. Anybody's short any coins right now in the chat room? I saw some popular YouTuber guy. And he, this guy was bashing TA. He was bashing technical analysis for the longest, guys. He was like, it's a piece of crap. It doesn't work, blah, blah, blah. And then today he said, you know what? I'm going to start to learn technical analysis. Because he thinks it's going to give him an edge. And, it's funny, right? It's funny how someone can actually change their mind that quick. Realize and you know, that technical analysis can actually work. People in this industry always claim that technical analysis doesn't work, but it's just that you probably really didn't take the time to learn it, or you learned it from the wrong people. But you know, it's funny that I see him now actually trying to learn technical analysis. You know, at least he's trying to do something new, because at the same time, you know, he understands that he can't keep on reading the news and keep on saying, you know, things is going to the moon. So nice little 4-hour bar right here. So I do, you know, I expect either Bitcoin to go back to here or to here. We'll see if it finds some resistance right here, right here. You know, we'll see if it finds resistance right here at the breakout, or it might not even make it that far. We'll see. I do expect it to go down one more time. But, you know, it is what it is. So TP, you said you're short on TRX. You up $100. Shout out to TP. TB is $, short Tron right now. He's up $100. So shout out to you. Kelly is short in BTC. Shout out to you, Kelly. Annette short in BTC, going down a little bit. I get my gains under 76, so shout out to her. Okay. Yeah, so we have to wait, guys. We have to wait to see what's going on with BTC. I definitely do expect one more drop down. It probably wants to either go to 77 or 78 first, and then drop down. So we'll see. But the sellers did came at a key level, so I still like this short. I definitely still like this short. Let me see if I see anything on the chat. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Perry said, great information. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Booker said BTC test 78. Yeah, I think it might test the 78 level. So this breakout level, it might test this level. We'll see, though. We'll see. You know, overall, like I said, overall, I still like this short. We got a key level. Ken said, Ben, I've been studying for other people, books, PDFs. They came to realize that they are teaching the same things that you are in the course. Shout out to you. Kelly said, I'm short in 72. 45 also. You shortened it. It never went to 72. Oh, you say your target is 72. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so Annette said, I thought 72, but to me it seems like it will bounce up to 75, then maybe 72. Yeah, at least I hope, so I can short a few more times. I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, I think overall we have one more push down before BTC, you know, completes this move. Overall, I believe that BTC wants to wipe out the people that went long right here. The people that went long right here, this breakout right here, I believe that they want to wipe these guys out. But we'll see. We'll see, you know. But I know a lot of people stops underneath this low right here, which is around 71, 72. And you know, that's definitely a good level for Bitcoin to go to. But once it goes to that level, it's most likely it's not just going to go to 72. It's probably going to go lower than that. It's probably going to go to 71 or 7,000 and either bounce back up. You know, overall, like I said, the reason why I like this short is because we shot down right here on a 4-hour, and then a couple of bars later we shot right back up. So that's a bullish sign. That's a bullish sign right there. That's a real bullish sign. We held our gains. It looked like we was going to flag up and go up. We shot down one more time again, and then we shot back up. So I was like, okay, the bulls is in play right now. So to me, we should have at least pushed up one more time with that action, but it didn't happen. So next thing you know, sellers came in. So I still believe that this is a good short on the daily chart right at that resistance line. I'm looking for a quick one-to-one. What's going on, Tim? Targeting 72, yes. Good thing my channel is very small. Good thing my channel is very small. People don't know what we're doing right now. That's good. That's good that people don't know what we're doing, you know. Definitely don't want the market to know what we're doing right now. So I was looking at what's going on, Bordan. I was looking at I was looking at the CME futures Bitcoin chart, and I noticed that you know the volume just popped up. So all of a sudden we had more volume in the last 2 days, couple of days, than we had, you know, ever since the CME futures opened up. So the last 2 days was the most volume on the CME futures. So that's telling me something. Okay, and next thing you know, the market dropped. So it's either someone knows something about something and they shorten this market. But you know, that's strange right there. So overall, guys, I think that we're probably going to push down one more time. You know, it's a possibility that we can actually push to this trend line right here. You know, I'm not saying that it will go there, but I'm saying it's a possibility. We can go to this trend line right here. Bitcoin go down to this trend line right here and probably bounce up a little bit. Maybe, you know, maybe. We'll see. Let me see who's in the chat room. What's going on, Rec? What's going on, Bogdan? Thanks a lot for coming through. You said, what do I think positive impact this can have on the coin? Well, right now, Bogdan, right now, as we speak, any good news that come in a crypto market, it doesn't really affect the coin. Maybe short term, but you know, maybe down the road that would affect the coin, you know. But as of right now, it's just very hard for good news to make a coin run up because everything is tied to Bitcoin. So, you know, XRP, Tron, any coin, you name it. It doesn't matter how, you know, how much good news that coin gets. It follows Bitcoin. So maybe long term that's a good play, Bogdan. But right now, you know, nothing really matters right now. Booker said, bought your course yesterday, started tonight. So shout out to Booker. Booker bought this course yesterday. Booker bought my course yesterday. Shout out to him. Thanks a lot, Booker, for getting the course. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. And I understand that you want to learn how the market works and you want to learn how to make this money right now, because this is what my students are doing right now, making this money. So Booker is talking about this course right here. If you guys don't know, let me give you guys that 50% discount. So if you don't have the course by now, check it out. I just gave you guys the 50% discount. I'll just copy and paste the link. If you have any questions, let me know. This course will show you how to make this money right now. I have testimonials on the page to prove it, so I just copy and paste the link. Triforce, you said, do you see a pop up in the green candle? Triforce, did you book your profits yet? Did you book your profits yet, Triforce? Triforce said, Ben, do you see a pop-up if the green candle for the daily close? You said a pop-up? Go above 76. BTC, basically, you have to understand, guys, BTC right now, you have to understand that it's not going to go down in a straight line. So, we see a green candle right now, but that doesn't mean anything. We can wake up tomorrow and see this thing go red. So we have to wait for that 24-hour move. Now you said if it goes to 76, it doesn't matter if it goes to 76. We can go all the way to 78. Right, we go all the way back to 78 and still roll over. It's still roll over. So you have to understand that you know, it might not just go straight down. It has you're gonna see some green bars in between, but doesn't mean that it's just gonna go straight up. I still believe we have one more push down before we go back to the top. That's if we, you know, ever go back to the top. But if we do go back to the top of this move right here, I believe we have one more push down before we go to that top. Because we are at a key level and the sellers came in. A lot of sellers. It wasn't just one, you know, a little bit sellers. It was a lot of sellers coming in at that level. So it's just, to me, it seems like one more push down is, you know, is likely. So We just have to wait, be patient, you know. And I was just telling you guys that I was looking at the CME futures. Look at the whole the volume, right? Ever since that, ever since the CME futures opened, this is the most volume we ever got in Bitcoin futures, period. Okay. So that's kind of fishy. That's kind of fishy that the volume just shot up at that level, right? It's kind of fishy how the volume just shot up around this level and we just shot back down. So like I said, overall, I think it's a quality setup. That's why I took it. And I live with whatever happens. But overall, I believe it's a quality setup, and I believe we're going to push down one more time. Let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you are new to the channel, let me know. If you are new to the channel, let me know if you have any questions. I've been doing this for 10 years plus. I've been doing this for 10 years, actually 11 years to this month. So let me know if you have any questions. Crypto Inspo, shout out to you, man. Crypto Inspo's in the building, guys. All right. So Bogdan said, Ben, so what will take for these other coins to no longer follow BTC? That's a good question. That's a very, good question, Bogdan. What is going to take for these coins to not follow BTC? I don't know. We have to see. Whenever this crash is over with, we have to see if Bitcoin is going to be number one. That's what's probably going to help separate Bitcoin from these other coins. Whenever we finish crashing, we'll see, if someone becomes number one, or if this market if the market becomes regulated, then we'll see if that helps too. Because in the stock market, if the market is going like for example, if the Nasdaq is down, you can find other stocks that's up for the day. So, but in the cryptocurrencies, it's very hard to find that. So right now, I don't know what's going to take for Bitcoin to separate, or these other coins to separate from Bitcoin. Maybe after the crash is over, or maybe when the whole market becomes regulated. We'll see. Rex said, how do you feel about the ETF being considered with multiple coins in it? I'm still not sold on an ETF, Rex. I'm still not sold on an ETF because the ETF is the whole crypto market is still not regulated yet. So it's very hard to see billions being pumped into this market, or to a market that's unregulated. It's very hard to see that. We talking about guys from Wall Street that makes a lot of money. So honestly, even if the ETF is approved, it's going to be, to me, in my opinion, it's going to be a slow process. Okay. So it's going to be a slow process. It's not going to be like most people think. Most people think automatically billions is going to just flood the market. No, it's going to be a slow process, and most likely people are going to wait until things settle down. Let me see. Shout out to Crypto Inspo. Are you short anything right now, Crypto Inspo? Crypto Inspo, are you short right now? Because I'm short BTC right now. I'm short BTC right now, and I know a lot of people short other coins too. some people short other coins. Let me know. 45. All news does is set up a pump and dump for these coins like Tron, Ripple, and buy the rumor. So basically, if you remember this whole crazy pump that Bitcoin had, it was just news after news after news after news after news, you know, that pumped up that Bitcoin. Tron, of course, getting pumped. It's just overall, guys, we are in a bear market. You know, that's why I tell people just be careful. A bear market is very brutal. So 45, I mean Triforce. So did you profit from that 75? Just say yes, I profit from the 75, because you know, I didn't see your answer yet. Just say yes, Ben, I profit from the 75. Let me see if sellers, What's going on, GR8? Rez, be careful. What's going on, Crypto Man? Yes, Crypto Man, everybody's still making money over here. Everybody's still making money here. Okay. What's going on, Adam? Yeah, separate for them fools. I hear you, Adam. I'm reading these comments. You said it doesn't look like any other coins are trying to compete with BTC until one comes. Yeah, you know, you had to understand that BTC is the first guy. You know, it's the first coin. So it's very hard to compete with BTC, even if you have a, you know, we have more, you know, other coins that's way better than BTC, but BTC is #1. So right now it's going to be very hard to compete with BTC. Oh, so you missed out on the shorts? You said you want to short 77? Yeah, so if you get in, we might go back to 77. It's very hard to say. It's popping up right now. I got in right here at this key level right here on the daily chart, a nice little 1, 2, 3, so around 78. So you said you want to get into 77. Yeah, it might pop up to 77. Adam said you're short Litecoin. Shout out to Adam. Yeah, everyone be patient. Exactly. Bogdan said, Ben, I'm thinking these movements we see is BS caused by the smart dogs. Like you say, I think you see serious gains in this market. We need the giants. Yeah, I know you're talking about to get real. Yeah, I know. Yeah, we need a lot of, big dogs to step in if we really want to see this thing go back to 20K or 30K. These pumps right here is just them playing around with the market. It's really no real volume going on into Bitcoin world or the crypto world. You see it with the altcoins, right? We talked about it. I talked about this, you know, multiple times. You see it with the altcoins, okay? BTC was rising, but these altcoins was just lazy and not doing anything. So you see it. That tells you right there that no one is really coming in and buying these coins. So BTC looks like a pump. So let me see. GRA said waiting for that setup. Shout out to you. Crypto Inspo said you want to confirm before it's short, and yeah, no problem. Guys, shout out to Triforce, because I was trying to figure out if Triforce made some money. So Triforce, you guys, shout out to Triforce. He made he's up right now 30% in 1 day, guys. In 1 day, okay, he's up 30%. And people just don't understand that there's money to be made right now. You know, it's sad because I see people come to my money that you put into the market buying the dips. You can actually use that money to make more money. People don't understand that you can actually make more money playing the market right now instead of buying the dips. Because when you buy the dips, you're just waiting. You're buying and waiting. Okay, you can make money right now. So shout out to Triforce making his money. Let me hit that ching, guys. He's up 30%. Okay, he said he took profit. Thanks for your course. So shout out to Triforce. Okay. He's one of my students that got the course. And if you don't have the course, definitely check it out. Right now, during the live stream, it's 50% off. And it will show you how to make this money just like Triforce did, okay? It will show you how to make money right now in the market. You know, it's up to you if you want to go to that level. But I just copy and paste the link. So take advantage of that before I get off a live stream. Because when I get off a live stream, it's going right back up to 210. But shout out to Triforce, man. That's good, man. I'm glad to see everybody making this money. I'm glad to see that. Because most YouTubers, I'm telling you guys, I go on YouTube, most YouTubers saying, guys, we're about to moon. We're about to go to 10K. And they've been saying that ever since January. Don't you get it, guys? They've been saying that ever since January. Guys, we're gonna go to the moon. We're going to go to 50K, 30K. They've been saying it since January. How long are they going to say it? How long are they able to keep that same story? You know, this is why you have to be careful who you follow, because some of these guys are not the real deal. Right? You can automatically tell who's the real deal and who's not the real deal. The person that's screaming moon, buy dips, we going to 50K. Those are guys that are not the real deal. So shout out to you guys that's making this money. Shout out to you guys that's making this money, man. I definitely like that. Let me see. Bourdain said they don't want until it's regulations, so they feel, yeah, exactly. Okay. How long can it take for regulation? And why? And would regulations ruin things? Meaning, yeah. So shout out to Bourdain. Basically, yes. That's why I tell people the ETFs. you know, don't rely on the ETFs, because it's, even if it gets approved, it doesn't mean that billions is going to come in the market. You have to understand how the Wall Street guys work. They want to make sure that their money is safe, and it doesn't matter if the money has insurance backed up. It doesn't matter what's going on. What matters is the whole market is regulated, and you know, they want to know that their money is safe. So he asked me how long you know, it's going to take for regulation. I don't know. You know, it could take years, because the government is real slow with things. They are very slow. I can tell you that the government is slow, and I'm quite sure they don't really have this on top of their list. But you said, would regulation ruin things? Unfortunately, yes, it would ruin things for the average Joe. Yes. Okay. How? Because we won't see the crazy swings that we saw back in the days. Okay. Remember those swings that we saw, you know, Bitcoin moving up 30% in one day, 40% in one day. Some coins moving up 100% one day or more. We're not going to see those swings no more if the market becomes regulated, because regulation slows down everything. It slows down everything because it makes everything safe, just like the stock market. Okay, the stock market doesn't have crazy swings because it's regulated. They make sure that things don't get out of hand. You know, so for the most part, it's safe. So yes, it will slow down the market, and this is the reason why I tell people that that buy and hold strategy that you have, you might be waiting for a long time before the market turns up, because if this market get regulated at the bottom of this crash, it's probably going to take a long time before things start to go up, because things are going to just start to move, you know, slower now. Things are going to be much slower now, just because of regulations. So let's see who else have any questions. You want to short ETH? You want to short ETH? Crypto inspo. Yeah, so you want to jump in again, Triforce? I hear you. Rez said the 4 hour is reset and why short. Rez, are you new to the channel, Rez? Are you new to the channel, Rez? Triforce said that might take a while, make money right now. Yeah, exactly. So people don't understand, you know, the bottom and everything else might take a long time. So why wait? You know, why wait? You know, you can make money right now. But at the end of the day, is up to you. So Adam said, is this a pump fake? What do you mean by pump fake? You talking about this whole big move right here? You talking about this big move right here being a pump fake? Let me know what you're talking about. Ken said, we mean right now, Ken, it's a setup right here on BTC, right here, right next to this nice little trend line right here on a daily chart, a nice little 1, 2, 3. So I like it. So he said he wanted short ETH. Let me see. Let me look at ETH real quick. Oh, so you want short ETH? Okay, I hear you. The ETH is a nice little short too. I'm reading these questions, guys. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you have any questions, let me know. Adam said, thanks for the wisdom. No problem, man. Adam said, I'm all in. Were you all in at, Adam? Adam, what you said you all in? You all in what, Adam? What are you talking about? YouTube rocks. When Lamb. He's stupid. Adam said, when I get my Lambo? I hear you, man. I'm reading these questions, guys, so give me a second. So is the downward trend continuing? Yes, that's what it looks like right now. It looks like overall the downtrend is going to continue, and the altcoins is the real picture to me. That's what it's telling me. So when Bitcoin was doing that pump, the altcoins wasn't following Bitcoin. So the altcoins to me was the leader of the pack. The altcoins were telling the real story. So most likely we will continue to go down. Most likely Ethereum will touch these lows right here. Most likely XRP will break its lows right here. Most likely Tron will break its lows, so on and so on. So let me see if I see any questions here. So said, give a suggestion. Oh, we're not buying anything right now, Mark D. So Rez said, yes, you're new to my channel. So shout out to Rez. You're new to my channel, Rez. Yes, over here, Rez, we go along with the major trend, Rez. So the major trend right now is down. The major trend is down, Rez. So that's why we are shorting these coins. It probably doesn't make any sense to a regular, person, but I've been doing this for 11 years, so I've been I understand that we are in the bear market, so that's why me and my students are going short, and that's why you see my students making money right now. So Mark, yes. So Mark is new to the channel. Welcome, Mark. Thanks a lot for coming through. I appreciate it. Mark, yes, we not buying, and on this channel right here, my channel is way different than most channels on YouTube. I'm a professional investor, professional trader. I do this full time, so I only look at the chart. And I stick to the major trend. The major trend right now is to the downside. We've been going down ever since January. So me and my students have been making money on the downside. But also some of my students have been making money on the upside too. Okay. So if anybody on this live stream don't have this course, definitely check it out, because this course will show you how to make money either way. Okay, me and my students are doing this right now. So get this course right now on the live stream, because it's 50% off. is 50% off on the live stream. So anybody that's new to my channel, that's the best. That's your best bet right now. You can ask anybody that's on this live stream about the course. They will tell you. They will show you that, you know, they're making money right now. So I just copy and paste this link right now. It's best to get it down because when I get off a live stream, it's going back to 210. But to all that, for all, you know, for all you guys that's new to my channel, we are not looking to buy anything right now. The market just shot back down at a key level, and the altcoins are looking weak right now. So a lot of my students are making money to the downside. You know, a lot of my students actually made money on Tron too, because Tron actually had that news come out, and they said this is the one of the easiest coins ever. You know, the easiest money they ever made, because they knew Tron was going to dump, you know. And I told guys, I was like, you know, we have this resistance line right here. So Tron has to pass this resistance line in order to go up. And as soon as we hit this resistance line right here, it just shot right back down. And my students made a lot of money from that. So so you said, Adam said, how do you short altcoins? I wasn't aware of anything like that. Yes, Adam. So Adam, get this course right here. It's the best course in the crypto space, period, hands down. I don't care what course you put it against. It's the best course ever. Right now, it's only $110. I should be charging $400 or more for this. Go read my testimonials. You'll see people are making real money, okay? $440, $130, $400, $450, 5%, 250. Go just, you know, read the testimonials. 600, 250, 800, 4K. And the people that's on this live stream, they have the course already too. So you can ask them. You can actually short these coins, right? You can go to any platform that allows you to short this coin. Go to that platform, fund your account, and once you learn the techniques in this course, you can start to make money if you follow everything step by step. Okay, of course you have to, I can't guarantee anybody nothing, but of course you have to do things step by step. Okay, that's why you see my students is actually making this money. So Adam, the way you short is you open up an account from any exchange that allows you to short. If you live in the United States, you can short on a site called JAFAX. I explain everything in the course. You can fund an account with $10 or more. And once you fund your account, basically you pick the coin that you want to short. If you see a nice little setup, hit the sell button. It's very easy. Don't think it's very complicated. It's not. It's the same thing as buying, but you do the opposite. You, instead of pressing buy, you press sell. Okay, you press sell, and then once the market goes down, you're going to start to see profit go into your account. So it's very easy. If you have a 9 to 5, don't worry about that. You know, you can still get in. You can still make this work, because most of my students have a 9 to 5. It's not about day trading, it's about swing trading. So let me see if I see any questions. What's going on, Michelle? Michelle, did you is everything good on your side, Michelle? Did you get the course? Did you open the course and everything is good now, Michelle? Thanks a lot for coming through. Adam said, I'm all in XRP. Okay, I hear you, Adam. You all in XRP. Adam, you have to understand that even though you're all in right now, you can still make money from these swings. Okay, you can still make money from these swings. So even if you want to buy and hold, you can still do that, but you have another strategy on the side. That's the best way to play this market this year. The best way to play this market this year is not to buy and hold. It's only to play these swings. That's it. That's why you see my students is actually making money right now. They're not waiting for BTC or any of these coins to go up. Let me see if I see any questions here. Rez said, but you should close your shorts, the shorts for now, and secure the profits until 4 hour hits the top again in short. Rez, I don't care about losing, Rez. You know, you have to understand my the way I do things. Okay, I'm not going to close a short just because I see a green bar on the chart. I don't do things like that. Okay. I don't do things just because I see a green bar on the chart, I close shorts. No, the market never goes straight down or straight up in a straight line. We're going to have pullbacks, okay? So I don't care about this green bar. It doesn't bother me at all. I do this for a living. I do this full time, Rez. So you're talking to a guy that's been doing this for 11 years. So you know, Mark D said, how you short, where, and keep USD. Yes, Mark D, check out this course. This is the best answer. Okay, I just explained it to who I explained it to. I think I explained it to somebody. I forgot who I explained it to. But this course will show you everything. If you live in the United States, you can still short. You don't need 10K. You don't need a VPN. You can actually sign up to jadfax.com. This course will teach you everything, Mark D. I just gave you the link below, and the best time to get it is when I'm on live, because I give you that 50% discount. Okay. But that's how we short. We go to a exchange that allows us to short. I don't care what exchange you go to. You know, that's the exchange is a small percentage of the pie. You know, what really matters is learning how to pick these setups and, you know, short at the right time. Yeah, you guys is funny. I'm reading these comments, guys, so give me a second. Okay, so you still working on it, Michelle? Okay. Let me know if you still have any problems, Michelle. Let me know if you still have any problems. I hear you. You in Chicago, Adam? Shout out to you. Shout out to you, Adam. Yes, so Adam, like I said before, this course is not only about shorting. I'm just telling you right now that right now we are in a bear market, but my students, some of my students actually, you know, are playing alongside too. So, you know, it's both ways you can do this. But anyway, let me see if I see any questions. TB $sign says, real talk, get the course. It's worth it. Yeah, thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it, TB. Thanks a lot, man. So I'm about to get off this live chat soon. If y'all have any more questions, let me know. If you have any more questions, let me know. I told you guys I looked at the CME BTC futures. And since they open up, these last 2 days was the highest when it came to the, you know, comes to the I mean, when the volume came in, these last 2 days was the highest. So that means that a lot of volume is coming into the futures, and we have to pay attention to this because this might be a key level. Okay. This might be a key level right here. Let me see if I see anything in the chat. Mr. Sandy, what's going on? Yeah, I'm about to get off soon. Crypto Inspo, you still in the building? So Triforce, you're trying to get back in, right? Triforce, you're trying to get back in. What level you trying to get back in again? What level you trying to get back in? Anyone short in ETH? Yeah, let me know if anybody's short in ETH right now. Anybody short in Ethereum? Ethereum had a nice little... Oh, somebody actually was a short... Somebody told me that it was short in Ethereum because Ethereum had a nice little sell-off, okay? We had... we was talking about this before. I told you guys that, you know, things was looking fishy, okay? I was like, guys, things are looking fishy because Bitcoin is going up. All these altcoins is going back down. And they are creating these flag patterns, okay? I said that, you know, Ethereum looks like it's weak and it looks like it's going to go down. That's why you see this wiggle right here. I had this wiggle, this drawing right here, way before it broke out. So I was like, you know, guys, I think we're going to break out because it looks like a flag pattern. This looks like a drop, consolidation, and drop some more. And that's what we did. So whoever shorted Ethereum, they making this money right now. So let me know anybody in this room are shorted Leslie Savage said he shorted Ethereum last night. So shout out to Leslie. Leslie said he shorted Ethereum last night, making his money. Shout out to you. Shout out to Tim, said he can't afford the course. He said he's from India, and that's like 2 months' salary. That's why I'm watching your channel. Shout out to you, Tim. What's going on 9/11? Triforce said, Ben, not sure. Been looking at 78. You said 78 on BTC. Honestly, it might not make it to 78. It might not make it to 78. I expect one more move down before we go back up. Right now it hit the 77. You said that you were looking for a 77, so it hit the 77. It might not even make it to 78, but we'll see. I noticed that this candle went back down. Let's see if we can go to the 1 hour real quick. Let's see what's going on in the 1 hour. Yeah, so I don't know. Sellers came in the 1 hour. So I don't know if it's gonna make it to the 78. You know, I don't know. We'll see though. We'll see. You know, if you want to be patient, you can wait for that 78. But it might not even make it to that 78. We'll see though. We'll see. Um, 9/11 said, I heard it's all falling. Yeah, man, it's falling. You said fiat too? Yeah. About to buy the course, Lord. Yeah, Lord. You said you're about to buy the course. Shout out to you. Yeah, Lord. If you don't have the link, here's the link right here, Lloyd. Okay, let me give you the link, and let me know when you get the course. Let me know when you get your course. So shout out to you, Lord. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. I'm reading these comments, so give me a second. Yeah, Triforce. Like I said before, we might not even make it to 78, but you know, don't rush it. You know, don't rush it. Even if you missed the move, it is what it is. You made 30% in 1 day, right? You made 30% in 1 day, so even if you missed this move, it is what it is. You know, I'm quite sure there's. No, I'm not quite sure. There is going to be more opportunities later on. So right now, it seems like it's pulling back down. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Yeah, so sellers, if you see the 1 hour, you see the sellers coming back in. So we'll see. We'll see if this thing continue to go back down. Like I said, I expect one more push down. So yes, guys, if you're buying this market, just be careful. Please be careful. These coins is not going to give you your money back. If you lose money, they're not going to give you your money back, okay? This is why you have to treat this like a business. I say this all the time. Treat this like a business. If you don't treat it like a business, they're going to take your money. And you can't just play this like this is some type of video game. Most people, they just buy this market like it's a video game, you know? And they don't have any respect for their money. Like, you have to understand, guys, you worked hard for that money, so have some respect for your money. You can't just buy stuff just because it's going down. You know, just, you know, if you've been buying dips ever since January, that means that, you know, overall we don't know how low this market could go. You know, anything can happen. Because if this market turned bullish, you have a lot of opportunity to make money. So don't think that you're gonna miss out if the market turned bullish. You said funding your account is so such a pain with a debit. I hear you. Did you fund your account with the BTC crypto before? Did you fund the account with crypto before, crypto inspo? You said, do I know Adam said, do I know psychopath? No. Who's that, Adam? Let me see, 45. You said you funded with BTC. I hear you. Yeah, so guys, I'm about to probably get out of here soon. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know before I get out of here. It is getting late. If you have any questions, let me know. On a 1 hour, sellers look like it's trying to come through, but we might push up to the 78. We'll see. We might push up to the 78, but we'll see. And every time you see spikes in the market, this will let you know, like you see these up spikes, this is not healthy at all. Because every time you see spikes like this, a lot of times it just falls right back over. See a spike right here, falls right back over. So shout out to CAD. You said that you got the course. He said now I gotta make my 147 CAD back. So they charge you 147. Like I said before, I don't know how that works other countries, but shout out to you. Let me see. Mr. Sandy said you'll make it back, Lloyd. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if you study the market, right? Take this serious, study the market, wait for the setups, you can make money, man. Trust me. You can make money. But it's up to you at the end of the day. What's going on, DJ? DJ said emotional investors who hold money too close to their heart will get hurt bad. Yes, I believe that too. You can't hold on to things too much. You got to treat this like a business. You got to treat this like a business, and you'll be okay. You can't treat it like a video game. Like this is some, you just press buttons and that's it. And and the reason why I'm trying to tell you guys this is because I don't want you guys to get screwed. Okay, I've been doing this for so long to the point where I know I made the same mistakes that you guys made. So I don't want you guys to get screwed. So when I see these YouTubers saying, guys, man, things are going to the moon, and they've been saying that since January, I know that they are in it just for the views. They don't care about you. They don't care about no one else. They just want the views, and they also don't understand how the market works. So shout out to Lord. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Lloyd got the course, so thanks a lot, man. I appreciate you getting the course. I appreciate you supporting the channel. And like I tell everyone that buys the course, if you study, put in this work, do things step by step, you can actually make this money. Okay? So let me give you a round of applause. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. I'm looking at, you said, I think I'm going to end up doing that because I hate the fees. I hear you, man. Fees is always annoying sometimes. Fees is always annoying sometimes. So guys, I'm about to get out of here because I don't see no questions right now. I'm about to get out of here. But yeah, if you have any more questions, I'll give it 5 more minutes. If you have any more questions, let me know. What's going on, Mr. 66? Good to see you here. Crypto Inspo said, remember to set a proper stop loss if you're playing with big money. So shout out to Crypto Inspo, telling you guys to make sure that you put that stop loss in place. Okay. The stop loss will help you get out if you are wrong with a small loss. Okay. So yes, guys, I'm about to get out of here. Be careful right now. The BTC is still looking weak. This bar right now is green, but this could change. I mean, by the time we wake up, I live on the East Coast, so by the time we wake up, this could be red. So we just have to, be prepared for anything. And I think we have one more push down before we go up. But right now, everything looks weak. The altcoins still look weak. Honestly, I wouldn't be buying anything right now. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. But, instead of buying these dips, you can make a lot of money. Or you can make more money playing these swings. Anyway, guys, I'm about to get out of here. Thanks a lot for coming through. Mark said, can I buy the course with crypto? Mark, you have to email me. So let me give you my email. A couple of people actually bought it yesterday with crypto. So yes, you can buy it with crypto. But let me give you my email address if you want to do that. Let me see. I'm typing in my email address right now. So, Mark, I just gave you my email address if you want to get it with crypto. Crypto Inspo said, I was waiting for the 1 day to go under 50. Yes, crypto, yes. I understand that you're waiting for that 1 day to go under 50. I understand that. And that's a good thing to do. Okay. Right now, the short that I'm taking right now is aggressive short, right? Because I told you guys that the short I'm taking right now is based on this trend line right here. But you don't have to take this short. You can wait until price goes below the moving average. Of course, you can do that, and go from there. The reason why I'm taking this short is because it's off the daily chart. Nice little setup. Sellers came in, and I think it's a high quality setup. I think I can get at least a 1-to-1 on this one, and we'll see. Let me see. Do you accept coins for the course, Mark D? Yes, Mark D. I gave you, Mark D. I gave you my email address. Did you see the email address I just gave you? I gave you my email address. I told you to email me. So once you email me, I will give you the instructions. Did you get my email, Mark D? I just emailed you just right now. Did you get me my? Did you get the email? Crypto said, "Good luck." Yeah, I told you know, I'm not worrying about this short. You know, like I said before, when I'm in a position, I'm okay with taking losses. I'm okay with that. You know, to me, this is a very, very high quality setup. So I'm willing to, you know, take a small position on this. But if I take a loss, it is what it is. But you know, this is a very, very high quality setup to me, because the daily chart is actually more accurate than the 4-hour chart, but the daily chart doesn't give you that many opportunities each month. So the 4-hour does, but right now, I like the setup. Yes. So yes, Mark D, you got the email. So all right, guys. I see no one has more questions, so I'm about to get out of here. You guys is out of questions, so I'm about to get out of here. If you have any more questions, let me know. But just be careful, guys. This market is brutal. It looks like it's weak. It looks like it's one to continue to go down. So be careful buying dips. I understand that some of these prices looks good. Some of these prices, you know, look good to get into, but you know, things could go lower. So guys, thanks a lot for coming through. Shout out to Mark. Shout out to Crypto Inspo. Shout out to who bought the course today, Lloyd. Shout out to you for buying the course. Yeah, I hear you, Crypto Inspo. All right, I hear you. Shout out to everybody that's in this building right now. Hey Ben, so many folks call this a reversal. It's awkward. Thanks for saying wait and see nobody else does. Yeah, I'm not saying that this is a reversal at all. Okay, I'm not saying that this is a reversal at all. What I'm saying is this could be a short-term pullback to a key level, which is probably like 7,000, and then we probably might pop up one more time. But I like this for a nice little one-to-one. I believe we have one more push down, and you know, we'll see. But yes, guys, thanks a lot for coming through. Shout out to Michelle. Shout out to everybody that's here. Leslie Savage, Randy 45, Crypto Inspo. Everybody that's here, man. Bruno, thanks a lot for coming through. G Slick, Mr. Sandy, Mr. 66 Adam, Lloyd, of course. Thank you a lot for getting that course. And shout out to everybody that's making this money out here, guys. Shout out to you guys. Let me hit that cha-ching. All right. Shout out to you. Thanks a lot for coming through. And I'm about to get out of here, guys. So thanks a lot. And make sure that you study. Learn how this market works so you can make this money. So thanks a lot for coming through, guys. And I'll see you guys later. Talk to you guys later.